Next thing, proprietary mix. Everybody, we're the only ones in the world that actually gave our buyers the formula. We're trying to help you be competitive. We're trying to save you money. I'd love to sell you a proprietary mix. I mean, I understand Epson's model. I sell you a $35 printer and then I sell you ink every single month for 50 bucks. Okay? It pisses me off every time I have to go buy that ink. You know, 95% of what you need, it's in your own backyard. It's sand, cement, and lime. It's that simple. But you got people, oh, we got a lot of crete and lava cretes, and we got this, and we got a magic mix. A magic mix, if you've ever done concrete, seriously, you're going to believe there's a magic mix. There's a magic mix out there that no matter what the temperature is and what the humidity is, you keep putting the same stuff in the mixer, okay? This isn't that. Mixes everything. And so there's no such thing as a magic mix. I mean, you start off at 5 o'clock in the morning, it's 50 degrees out, by noon it's 80. What do you think happened? You think there's nanotechnology that's automatically figuring out what to do with your mix? So these magic mixes though, hell, they're 8 times more expensive than just the sand, cement, and lime in bulk that's in your own backyard. Why would you want to buy a printer like an Epson and then pay $50 for your ink when you know damn well it doesn't hardly cost anything?